This year was special for you because of the Pro Series. And tell us about not only the Pro Series, but some of the technology that you used to capture the images.
There was a tournament held, for younger age groups in a major league stadium, and it highlighted some of the top ranked teams in the country. And these young players and parents, I mean, they're throughout the entire summer, they're chasing multiple titles because there's a lot of different organizations out there, but they all want to play in a major league stadium and have it done right. And this is really the major league or the amateur version of Major League Baseball and chasing a world title in a major league stadium.
Power Showcase is on our radar every year. We really appreciate the video.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to loanDepot Park, home of the Miami Marlins for the second Power Showcase Pro Series World Championship Tournament.
And yanks this down the line, and this is hit far and deep, and this is gone. Aiden Arnett with the first home run that goes over the fence. And let me tell you, this kid had some pop.
Fastball up, maybe foul. Cruz is there to make a play, diving play, and let me tell you, Sebastian Martinez just threw a no-no.
Let's go! I felt amazing having a no-hitter.
Batting third, the pitcher, number 2, Hezekiah Rodriguez.
Let's go, Al.
Back-to-back, reigning champs. You already know we got.
Block it up in the dirt.
Yes, sir! Time to bury. Let's go. This inning, right here.
1, 2, 3. Go! Yeah!
To be able to play on an MLB field that's live streamed, his grandfather's watching it on TV, like, that's amazing.
Unbelievable opportunity for these kids. Beautiful ballpark. These guys are excited. Brian's, put on an unbelievable show for everybody here, and we're just proud to be and really fortunate to be part of it.
Someone go keep him company.
As he laces one down in the 6th hole. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, the Tigers retake the lead. The score is now 7-6.
Woo!
Batting 8th, an extra hitter, number 19, Mason Jones.
gets a really good piece, hits to the center field. It may be trouble, but Shelton cannot take a hold of it. And Mason showing plus speed, good base running as he breaks down, heads back to second base, and really good hit. Very good swing by Mason Jones. As Mason Jones pieces one in the center field, Adam Shelton will be able to get under, but it appears to get it in a run as both runners advance.
Mason Jones goes to second.
Special Shelton. Mason Jones takes off. Is in second base, standing up. As Adam steps back into the box with a 1-2 count. Gets a curveball, hits it up towards right field line. Mason Jones over there showing some range.